Hi everyone, today I just got what I ordered from Louis Vuitton. I just got mini pochette in monogram. So let's have a look together. So this is the mini pochette that I got, and you can see if you compare with the Pochette Felicie, the size is just like this, okay? It's so small. This is Pochette Felicie, and let's see what can fit inside here. I have a small wallet from Louis Vuitton. What is this again? I forgot the name. This is a small size as well, so you can put it inside. It's quite full already, and I can also put my keyring inside the mini pochette. And let's see if I can put the tissue. It fits. So actually that's it for now. It's pretty full already, yeah, but it looks so pretty. You can put the chain as a crossbody bag as well. So that's it for today. So I hope that you will have a wonderful summer together with your family. Have a nice day. Bye bye.